Homepreneurs, welcome back. Or if you're new here, welcome to Stay Homepreneur. I'm Chloe, and today we're digging into one of my favorite small business ideas that's fun, affordable, and in high demand. Starting your own homemade dog treat business from home. If you love baking and you love dogs, this might just be the perfect way you turn your passion into profit. Why this works. Let's start with why this idea is so powerful. Pet owners spend over $100 billion a year on their animals, and treats are one of the top categories. More and more people are looking for healthier, homemade alternatives to store-bought treats. They want ingredients they can trust. They want to support small businesses. And best of all, they share and recommend their favorite pet brands like crazy. That means word of mouth can help you grow even without a big following. Step by step getting started. Step 1. Research cottage food laws for pet treats. Each state has different rules. Some allow you to sell homemade pet treats under cottage food laws, while others require a special license. Google pet treat laws plus your state to find out. It's worth it to check before baking your first batch. Step 2. Test a simple recipe. Start with something easy. Peanut butter and pumpkin, banana and oat, sweet potato and flour. Pick one flavor combo, test a few batches, and get feedback from friends or family with pets. Make sure they're dog safe and contain no harmful ingredients. Step 3. Package and label your treats. Use craft paper bags, reusable jars, or eco-friendly pouches. Label clearly with your treats' names, ingredients, storage information, and a note that it's not intended for human consumption. Cute names like Pumpkin Paws or Cheddar Bites help you stand out. Step 4. Set your price. A good rule of thumb is to price 3 times your ingredient cost. You can sell small treat bags for $5 to $8 or bundle and sample box them for $10 to $20. Keep it simple. Don't worry about making every size or shape to start. Step 5. Start selling locally and online. Try Facebook Marketplace, pet-friendly, focused Facebook groups, or even a neighborhood app like Nextdoor. Offer porch pickup or meetup delivery at dog parks. You can also make a simple Instagram page or Canva flyer and share with friends. Eventually, you can scale to Etsy or even your own website. Tips for long-term success. Ask for photos of happy customers, the pups, and share those to build trust. Add a fun thank you card or mini sample in your first orders. Stick to just 2 or 3 treat types until demand grows. Create seasonal options like holiday bones or fall pumpkin spice. This is a low-cost, low-risk way to start earning from home, doing something you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's your main passion or just a fun side gig, this can be the beginning of something meaningful. And if you need help turning your passion into something that pays, grab my free printable, The Detective's Case File, Passion to Profit. It's linked below, so tell me in the comments, what would you name your first dog treat flavor? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, seize the day you deserve.